If you've ever had a cheap mixing bowl slide across your counter while you're trying to whisk eggs, you know how annoying it is. I'm tired of flimsy bowls that dent if you look at them wrong, so I bought and tested the top 5 stainless steel sets on the market to see which ones actually hold up.
Product number 1. Wiseco Meal Prep Stainless Steel Mixing Bowls out of the box. When I first pulled these Wiseco bowls out of the box, I noticed right away how light they are. If you're someone who hates lugging heavy stoneware around the kitchen, you're going to appreciate the weight here. They have a very classic, no-frills look, just shiny silver steel that reminds me of the stuff you'd see in a professional galley. During my testing, I used the largest bowl to mix up a big batch of pancake batter. The steel is smooth, so my whisk didn't get caught on any weird ridges, and the deep design meant I wasn't splashing flour all over my shirt. These don't come with lids, which I actually didn't mind for daily prep, but it's something to keep in mind if you're looking for long-term storage. I threw them in the dishwasher after a messy taco night, and they came out looking brand new, without any water spots or weird metallic smells. They nest perfectly too. I've got a pretty cramped cabinet, and the whole 5-piece set takes up about as much room as one single large bowl. The build is solid and rust-resistant, so I don't see these falling apart anytime soon. If you're just looking for a straightforward, reliable set of bowls for basic cooking, and you don't care about bells and whistles like silicone bottoms, this is the most budget-friendly way to upgrade your kitchen gear.
Product number 2. Priority Chef Premium Mixing Bowls. The first thing I noticed when I grabbed the Priority Chef set was the thickness. These feel much more substantial than the Wiseco set. They've got this sleek black finish on the outside that looks great, but the real star is that black silicone base. I tested these by whipping some heavy cream. Usually a metal bowl would be dancing all over my marble island, but this one stayed exactly where I put it. One of my favorite features though is the etched measurements on the inside. I didn't have to hunt for a measuring cup while making a quick vinaigrette. I just poured the oil and vinegar right to the lines in the bowl. It saves a lot of cleanup time. Speaking of cleanup, the bowls are dishwasher safe. But I learned the hard way that you really should hand wash the lids to keep the seal tight. The lids themselves are BPA free and actually stay on. I tipped the 1.5 quart bowl over with some leftover soup inside and it didn't leak a drop. You get 5 sizes ranging from 1.5 to 5 quarts, which covers just about everything from whisking a single egg to tossing a family-size salad. If you want a set that feels pro and won't slide around while you're working, these are a fantastic choice. They feel like they'll last a lifetime, honestly. But if you're the type of person who wants every possible gadget included in one box, you'll want to see this next set.
Product number 3. You Might Chef 26-piece heavy-duty set. Opening this box felt like Christmas because it's not just bowls, it's a whole kitchen kit. You get 6 bowls in total, including a massive 7-quart one that's perfect for big holiday prep. The carbon black finish gives them a really modern look, and just like the previous set, these have those non-slip silicone bottoms that I've grown to love. What really blew me away during my test run were the grater attachments. The 3.5 quart bowl has a lid with a removable center. I popped one of the 3 grater blades in there and shredded carrots directly into my salad. No extra cutting board, no mess on the counter. It even has a hole for a hand mixer, so you can blend without splattering your walls. They also threw in a whisk, spatula, and measuring spoons, which makes this a literal kitchen in a box. I used the smallest 1-quart bowl for some leftover dip, and the airtight lid kept it fresh for 3 days without that fridge taste seeping in. Just a heads up, make sure you dry these with a cloth after washing. I noticed a tiny bit of water spotting if I let them air dry, but a quick wipe keeps the mirror finish perfect. This set is the ultimate pick for someone moving into a new place or anyone who wants to replace a bunch of old mismatched tools at once. If 26 pieces feels like overkill for your cabinets, there's a slightly smaller version that hits the sweet spot.
Product number 4. You Might Chef 8-piece khaki nesting bowls. This is essentially the refined version of the previous set. It comes in a really unique khaki color that stands out from the typical black or silver. I held these side by side with the 26-piece set, and the build quality is identical. You get that nice matte exterior that hides fingerprints and a polished interior that's super easy to wipe down. The 4-quart bowl in this set has that same brilliant splash-proof lid design. I used it to mix some heavy cake batter with my electric hand mixer, and it kept every drop inside the bowl. It also comes with the 3 grater attachments. I tried the slicing blade with some cucumbers, and it's surprisingly sharp. It handled them way better than I expected for a bonus tool. The silicone bottoms on these are great because they don't leave those annoying gray scuff marks on light-colored countertops. Even though it's an 8-piece set, it's really 5 bowls with 3 grater inserts. The sizes go from 1.5 to 5 quarts. I think this is the Goldilocks set for most people. It gives you the high-tech lids and the non-slip grip without cluttering your drawers with 20 extra spoons and spatulas you might already own. It's practical, it looks elegant on the counter, and the nesting design means it takes up 0 space. Now, if you want the absolute heavyweight champion of the group, we have to talk about Viking.
Product number 5, Viking 10-piece stainless steel set. Viking is a huge name in professional kitchens, so I had high expectations for these. The moment I picked up the 8-quart bowl, I could tell it was built differently. The steel is noticeably thicker, and the rim is much wider, which makes it way easier to grip when you're pouring out heavy batter or tossing a giant pasta salad. The red silicone bases aren't just for looks, they're thick and have a serious grip. I tested the 5-quart bowl by kneading a small batch of bread dough inside it, and the bowl didn't budge an inch. Another detail I loved is the volume markings on the inside. They're embossed, so they won't fade or wash off over time like printed ones do. The lids on these are probably the best of the bunch. They have a very tight click when you press them down, sealing in odors completely. I kept some chopped onions in the 20-ounce bowl overnight, and my fridge didn't smell like onions at all the next morning. They are refrigerator and freezer safe, which is great for chilling dough or marinating meat. While they're the priciest of the 5, you're paying for that commercial-grade durability. If you're a serious home cook who spends a lot of time in the kitchen and wants tools that feel like they belong in a restaurant, the Viking set is the clear winner.